Join me for this step-by-step lesson of the Tai Chi Yang Style 24 form, taking you from Technique 1, the opening posture, through Technique Brush Knee. Each technique will begin with a demonstration, followed by a movement-by-movement breakdown. The rotations of the upper waist, lower waist, and hip actions for each movement will be listed. Shift the weight onto the right leg. Step out with the left leg to a shoulder width stance. And then transfer the weight. Roll the palms forward to the front of the thighs. Lift the arms to shoulder height. Initiate the sink into horse stance. Complete the sinking action into horse stance. Shift the weight to the right leg while lifting the right arm. Transfer into empty stance with the ball carrying position. Step out onto the heel, lower the forefoot. Shift the weight forward and pivot. Half step up with the right leg. Shift the weight back to the heel. Transfer fully into empty stance. Complete crane cools its wings. The left hand will drop to the waist while the right arm lifts up with the palm forward, and the toes of the left foot will touch the ground with no weight. The arms drop and rise to parallel positions with the right palm facing up. Retract the right arm. The right palm comes to the right ear. Step out onto the heel. Brush down with the left palm. Then strike forward with the right palm.